Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So on the Solana chart, we continue to track our bullish scenario. As I said before, below 22.30, so $22.30, I would have to flip bearish because then I would have to assume that Solana topped either in 3 waves, yeah, ABC or WXY actually, here to this top, which was made on the 14th of July. Well, I would have to flip completely bearish and either look at one more low or, and that is probably what I would be looking at first, did Solana maybe just create a high B wave? So was this in fact our wave 1? Yes, but the wave 2 never finished. So what I have labeled as wave 2 back here in June, 10th of June, was just a 3-wave move in an A wave of that wave 2. Then this was a 3-wave move in a B wave and the move down in a C wave in 5 waves. And then the wave 2 will sit here and we can find support again at $12 or $10. And this is what I would be looking at first, because I still like the idea that this is an impulse, this move of the December low. But even if it is an impulse, it could just be an ABC, right? So we need to be watching, we need to wait and see how price will then react to support. I think at the moment, the focus needs to be more imminently on higher. As long as we're holding 22.30, we can focus on higher. I think there is some buying pressure going on. But obviously, it did sell off quite a bit, but it's still holding much better than other coins. Yeah, even with yesterday's decline and the decline of the let's call it the XRP rally, it looks rather corrective. So I am at the moment still tentatively, let's say, more immediately bullish. 22.30 is the relevant structural support. Below that level, yeah, things are going to turn more bearish, but there is still one more bullish scenario left. I think that's how to best frame it. This is not an easy wave count. I mean, if I want to construct a more imminent upside move from here, it is absolutely choppy. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. It is a diagonal structure. This wave 1 would be a corrective move, which would have topped on the 8th of July. Then here the wave 2 to the downside with a low on the 10th of July. The third wave could still be in the making. In an ABC structure, it would have to be an ABC because this move up here is not an impulse. The move down comes too deep for anything else, like a wave 4, it doesn't work. So yeah, the move up ideally would be a C wave. That would actually work quite well with Bitcoin's and Ethereum's count. So let's take a look. And I highlighted to you, as long as we're holding 22.30, this could be an ABC structure to the downside in a B wave, and we could get one more wave up, and that would need to exceed 32.30 because I wanted to go above the A wave high. It will depend a little bit on, okay, how low does this B wave go? But then we can actually calculate Fibonacci extensions for that C wave target. So we take the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave. Yeah, and I mean, typical ideal target would be the 100% extension, 36.60. But it's a bit too early because I haven't got a strong confirmation that we have bottomed here. I think we could have, especially if Bitcoin, Ethereum have a local low in place and rally in their B waves. At the moment, though, the move off the lows is only in 3 waves. If it pushes higher once more, we've got 5. That could indicate a local low in place here. We also have enough waves to the downside. I have an A, B, C structure with a C wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it would only be a diagonal, so it's a bit choppy and a bit uncertain. As long as we don't make a higher high and a higher low. So ideally, I wanted to go above that wave 4 here first for confirmation. That would be a break above 27.12 on the micro level. If it breaks above that, then we have a good view, a good initial view that a local low is in place. But we need to break above resistance. Until then, the local downtrend is still in play, obviously. Making lower lows and lower highs, it's fairly simple. But a break above that, especially in 5 waves, would indicate that a local low is in place. And then we could head higher. Yeah, that's pretty much just a quick update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.